They're almost through the polar vortex.
Oh, don't say that word.
You don't like that?
You know, some scientist said that, and then every journalist just started using it in every wrong way imaginable.
Oh, really?
And because of that, it is the topic of our Thunder Quiz question today. Yes, it is.
How did I know?
Okay.
So now that you're a journalist, I hope you're using it in the proper form. The polar vortex is something new at the Earth's surface, in the upper atmosphere, or is a swirling polar bear?
I thought
What
it
do you
was.
think?
I thought it was winds from the north or air from the north.
I believe it is in the upper atmosphere.
Oh yeah, C. I'll go with C.
C.
You're going to go with C.
Yeah.
Okay. We will have that answer coming up shortly. Take a guess at home. Here's Tower Cam HD. Pretty sunset going on right now. A little bit of mid to high level cloud cover pushing on into the area. Temperature-wise, this is how things went today. We started out cold without question. We did hit -7, I believe, last night. The record low for this morning is -9, up to 10 degrees by 5 o'clock in the afternoon. A little bit warmer certainly than it was yesterday. Temperatures across the region right now, check in like this, lower teens, upper single digits across the area right now. Fayetteville has 10, Milford at 9, West Union, you have 8 degrees, the airport holding on to 10. I think we drop a few degrees, and then the temperature slowly starts to warm tonight because we have winds out of the southwest at about 10 miles per hour. Wind speeds were a little bit stronger earlier on, and right now right around that 10 mile per hour mark, and wind chills across the area not as bad. Still cold, below 0. Middletown at -2, Lunken at -3, Hamilton at 1, and the International Airport at 4 degrees. Things will warm up slowly over the course of the next couple of days. There's nothing on live precision Doppler 12 HD, but there's some cloud cover pushing into the area, and a slight chance you could catch a flurry either this evening or during the overnight period as a very weak disturbance pushes in this evening. Another one pushes in overnight tonight, and then I think more partly to mostly cloudy skies during the daytime hours tomorrow, with a chance of a little bit of light snow or flurry activity tomorrow evening or tomorrow night. Microcast at 8 o'clock paints some clouds across the area. If you see anything tonight, I think it's going to be an inconsequential flurry or two, and I think that should be about it. Partly to mostly cloudy tomorrow, maybe a peek of the sun from time to time. This is 11 o'clock tomorrow night. A little bit of light snow possible in our northern counties, and then again Thursday morning, maybe a little bit of light snow as well. Everything for the next couple of days, pretty spotty and pretty light. Our best chance of anything significant will come on Saturday, but that should be rain as that temperature makes its way into the upper 40s. 6 degrees at 8 tonight. Midnight, 8 degrees. By 7 o'clock in the morning, I think we'll be looking at 11 degrees. This strikes me as wrong here. I think no, that's about right. 6 degrees a day. We'll drop down, and then the temperature slowly warms overnight with those southwesterly winds pushing in slightly warmer air. 13 at 9, noontime 21, heat wave at 5, up to about 26. Slight chance of a flurry late tomorrow afternoon and into tomorrow evening as well. Your planning forecast 26 on Wednesday, Thursday 35. 46 degrees on Friday. We'll call it partly to mostly cloudy. Into the weekend, Saturday, you're looking at 49, but rain is likely, moderate, maybe heavy rain. Sunday 46, Monday 44, chance of snow late on Tuesday, 42 degrees. How about Thunder Quiz? The polar vortex is A, something new, B, at the Earth's surface, C, in the upper atmosphere, or D, is a swirling polar bear. The polar vortex is a large, persistent upper-level cyclone. It's always existed. It's been here as long as the Earth has been here. Many times in the winter, a piece of the polar vortex will break off. You know, we used to call it a cold snap. Then a scientist said, it's a polar vortex, and then all sorts of...
So it's really a cold snap with a fancy name on attached.
Yeah, but it's always up there. The polar vortex is always near the poles. And now take a look at this graphic. This is from the National Weather Service, and they did a good job telling you what it was. The polar vortex is always up there, and sometimes a piece of the polar vortex sort of breaks off, but it's located well in the upper sections of the atmosphere. Indeed, it changes our flow, so you get the cold air, but the polar vortex is not the cold air that resides across the area or plunges down. It, in fact, forces that cold air our way.
I do like the image, though, of a polar bear.
You like that?
Yeah.
Yes, dear.
Spread it all around.
There we go.
Thanks, Tim.